All right, guys, good evening. This is Spencer from Motor Inn of Spirit Lake. As promised, we have our brand new 2018 Wrangler JL Rubicon sitting on our show floor. Maybe a day late, but we had a lot of people wanted to test drive this and see this one out on the street. Brand new 3.6 motor in this, tons of power. As you previous Wranglers owners may know, is a little bit of a challenge to get up and going, but this one has tons of power and will push you into the back of your seat, and great fuel economy on top of it. We're talking about 23 miles to the gallon highway on this one. I'll give you guys a little tour. You can see on the outside, brand new halo lights right here for 2018 on the JL. They look absolutely incredible at night. Definitely unmistakable on the road, and as you can see right here, not a Jeep badge on this one. That's right, no Jeep badge on the front. Jeep is so confident in this vehicle that they say that this grille, everybody knows it's a Jeep. There's no need for a badge on this one. So on this Rubicon, we've got the steel bumper group. You can actually mount a winch inside this one here. These screws just come off, and a winch will sit inside here for you guys who are going to take this thing off-road. As well as these corners, you can take these off for better approach angles. Start climbing right away. And as many of you know, turn signal right here for 2018 in the JL, built into the fender. Brand new hood latches, a new hood, beautiful black and red Rubicon sticker, new functional air vent for 2018 on the JL. Now you can get these fenders painted if you'd like. Body color fender painted, optional on these Wranglers. Here we have the KO2 BFGoodrich tires. As you guys know, great off-roading tire if you're planning to take it on the trails or into the mud. These are 285/70 R17s. Like I said, BFGoodrich KO2s on it. Great tire for off-roading. Got the rock rails right here. Nice and solid, not going to dent up your body. Trail rated badge and logo all in red with the black. It looks absolutely stunning in this color. So let's go a little bit on the inside. Got the power windows locks redone for this rear, new handle, new lock system. Black leather seats in this one with red stitching. And of course the red Rubicon on it as well. And an absolutely brand new dash, bringing the Wrangler into the 21st century with a lot more technology. Leather wrapped steering wheel, automatic headlights, dimmers for your lights and instrument cluster. Red dash in this one. Later this year you'll be optional to have yellow in there instead of red. Let's climb inside here. Brand new instrument cluster, a lot more digital than the previous outgoing JK version of the Wrangler. Look at that start up there. Nice homage to the Wrangler brand. Steering wheel mounted controls, Bluetooth for your cell phone. And Jeep now has UConnect 4 in their vehicles, giving you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's ultimate connection for your smartphone or any smart device. Got push button start stop. This one comes with remote start on it, straight from the factory. Brand new key on this. Pretty cool. Proximity entry available, so you never have to leave. This key never has to leave your pocket or purse to enter this vehicle. All you have to do is approach the vehicle and touch the door handle, and it'll unlock. The UConnect 4 in this one, like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this. Of course, you have your satellite radio as well as AM, FM, any media, USB, aux, or Bluetooth. Climate control currently off. You got apps in this, and of course you can scroll through the instrument cluster here. You can see sway bar disconnect. You've got your gauges for which angles you're leaning this Wrangler when you got it off-road. Navigational optional in this one with the tech pack on it. Beautiful screen. And as you can see, you start it up here. Absolutely gorgeous backup screen with great high definition. Best one I've seen on the market by far, and the first time you can actually get a backup camera straight from Jeep from the factory with no aftermarket ads. Of course, brand new controls for this year. The red accents continue throughout the dash. 12 volt right here. Power windows locks, axle locks and unlocks, sway bar disconnect. And right here we have a USB-C charger, and an aux input. Brand new shifter with some heritage to the Jeep Wrangler. 4-wheel drive select. 2-stage center console right here. The USB in there as well. This one has the upgraded audio on it, so you've got the audio rack across the top. Take the top off with the Freedom panels here. A lot easier to take off this year than the previous model. We've got pre-programmable garage door openers right here. A brand new mirror for this year, edgeless. And in fact, you can now fold this windshield down a lot easier than before, and this mirror just stays right here with the post-crash alert and assist. So we continue on this. As you can see, non-painted hardtop on this one. Optional to get it painted body color. Looks great body color. We've got two on just leaving Toledo, Ohio, where this vehicle is built. One white, one red, leaving today, should be here by the end of the month. New doors in the back, new seats with a lot more leg room in them. And we got this weaving into the back of both seats. You can store anything, backpacks, water bottles, etc. Back we've got the power windows, as well as the USB and USB-C chargers for you guys, and a 112 volt as well, just like your normal house plug-in that you'd find. LED lights look great, great functionality. And now, for the first time in a Wrangler, you got cup holders in the center console back here. You can go ahead and take this off if you'd like. And of course, they fold flat for great storage. New fuel door. The brand new taillight for this year that now comes optional with blind spot monitoring. The blind spot monitor is built right into here. Red tow hooks to accent the black and the red stitching. Here you can see that high definition backup camera, the first for the Wrangler. Easily comes off, stows your wheel on there and locks. You don't have to worry about anybody taking it. Magnesium tailgate, a lot lighter. And if you're planning on putting bigger tires on your Wrangler, this right here, this stoplight has been reduced, greater visibility, and is completely adjustable if you want to put bigger tires on this. If you're one of those people who want to put bigger tires on a Wrangler, this will fit 35-inch tires straight from the factory with no lift kit whatsoever. Put 35-inch tires right on it. Cool little JL instructions on what you can ford in water, and the clearance and approach angles up there. Now back in here you can see 12-volt charger, Alpine subwoofer in it, storage for all your hardtop bolts and screws, as well as the windshield for this year. Compared to last year, they took the subwoofer out of the floor. As you can see, they put it right here. Of course, completely waterproof still. And we've got the soft top sunrider there if you want to run around and get a little shade with the top off. Rear passenger over here, and of course this seat folds flat too. Maximum storage on this one. Optional to get some soundproofing on the top. Not needed, it does great. We've taken it on the highway with about 5 customers so far. Handles a lot better than the previous generation. As you can see, the stitching continues, and that large section of red dash in it, like I said earlier, optional to get yellow here later this year. Great touch and feel to it. And of course, the doors still remain removable. So you guys can come and take a look at this. Motoring to Spirit Lake, right at the corner of 9 to 71, right down the street from Walmart, right here in Spirit Lake. Like I said earlier, we've got 2 more just leaving the factory right now, 1 white, 1 red, and we've got a total of 7 more on the way, all completely for stock. Mix of Rubicon, Saharas, and Sports. If you're looking for a new JL Wrangler, want to see one in person, Motoring to Spirit Lake is your place to come. Thank you guys very much, and we'll see you when you come take a look.